guys, welcome back to another renovation update.
We're finally back. It's been a long delay, so I'm sure you're
actually.
Yeah, I'm sure you're pretty excited to see where we're at. So
you can see
we have our beautiful counter. This has been a major game changer in terms of functionality for us, and obviously beauty. It's so beautiful. We're pretty happy with it. We did the waterfall, which is a really lovely design aesthetic that I personally couldn't help but have. We, as you know, have the overhang. So we did a 12-inch overhang on this counter, and then we got our bar stools in. So we're pretty excited about that. We have our pendants in. Gilbert,
I still have to tweak them a little bit. They're sitting a little bit crooked, but I just have to make some adjustments on the height and then how they're hanging.
And then we're gonna clean them.
And then we're gonna clean them. One cool point about this island, because it's so long, it's 9 feet. By code, you need 2 outlets in it. So we have outlets on either side. And I decided to put the one on with the USB thing, so if you're charging your iPad or your laptop or whatever, so you're good to go there.
We have our cooktop in. Beautiful 36-inch cooktop. It's a 5-burner cooktop, which is really nice.
Induction.
We love to cook.
Yeah.
We have our hood vent up, and Gilbert, you decided that you wanted it a little bit higher than typical.
I did put it higher, and because of that, we had to cut the, I don't know what you would call that, the casing that covers the pipes. So I brought it to a sheet metal place, and they got it cut for me, so it's now like a custom size. But it's great because it doesn't hinder the view from any...
Yeah, our sight lines into the living room are still nice and wide and open, which is what we wanted. And say hi to Gracie! She's decided to grace us with her presence. We also have our prep sink in and a faucet, so that's really nice.
2-tone faucet, and what we did is we went with an extra deep sink basket, so it has these cool little strainers that go right inside the sink basket. So I thought
kept the
that's kind of
theme
neat.
of the gold and black theme throughout. Our faucet and sink is in. That may have been in the last time you saw the video. Backsplash is still not in yet. We can't install that until our new window comes in, and I think the anticipated ETA, if we're lucky, is August. So that will be a project on hold until then. We're still waiting to install kick plates in this part of the kitchen. We also have to install our filler piece strip above the fridge. We have a little bit of tweaking to do on our wall oven, and then we're going to have our kick plates on the island color match to the cabinetry because we installed them. We didn't buy the IKEA kick plates. The IKEA kick plates are plastic and they kind of clip onto the feet that hold the cabinets up, and I didn't really like that. I wanted it to be really solid. So I just put some blocking underneath, and I put actual real wood. So this is real walnut kick plates. To match the cabinetry. So we'll have those color matched. We'll have our painter color match them so that everything looks good. That's pretty much wrapping up the kitchen. Now. And then the next phase for you guys, which we'll probably share with you next week, is I'm hoping all of the final pieces of our furniture will be in, and we'll be able to show you the living and dining room then. Some special things that we did in the living room. Next,
doors and trim just showed up.
Doors are coming in.
So that's going to be exciting.
Yeah.
Also, we finally patched the hole in the ceiling. That's everything.
That's everything.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Well,
thanks for joining.
Hope you enjoyed the update. I know that we've been getting some feedback. You've been eagerly awaiting an update, so we finally did that. And until next time, hope you all have a great day.